Introduction. Generational wealth is what everybody wishes to have, but only a few families have it. And no wonder, because according to GoBank and Greats, 70% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the next generation, with 90% losing it the generation after that. Generational wealth is defined as any kind of asset that is passed down from one generation to the next, whether this may be in the form of cash, stocks, properties, or businesses. While more often than not, you may not be born with generational wealth, you can start building and managing your line of generational wealth. In this video, we'll go over the steps you can take to jumpstart your generational wealth and what you can do to preserve and manage this wealth during your lifetime. Develop a long-term growth mindset. The first and most obvious step is to develop a long-term growth mindset. Always think long-term. When investing in something, don't just think of the value of this investment in the next few years or so, think of its value after a decade or so. When starting a business, don't just think of its profitability for the next few months. Think of its profitability even after years of service and even after changes to the location, trends, and purchasing power of people occur. To fully immerse oneself in a long-term growth mindset, one has to start with financial literacy. Understand the basics of budgeting, credit, and savings in order to make the best choices when it comes to long-term financial decisions.